Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. My name is Hitesh and below is my web homepage where you can access details about me, can leave your friendly feedback, or really can drop anything that you really wish to see me on the email. So I hope you are quite enjoying this series as I am quite enjoying making these lessons, new stuff, new challenges and everything out there. So let us move ahead and see what there we have got in this challenge and let us check out. So here we are on our Kali Linux and you might be seeing right out there that there is a lesson 13.zip file absolutely for you. So, and yes, I mean absolutely by means yes, absolutely for you, because I'm not going to do much of the stuff here on this, but there is a lot more stuff to do for you. So first of all, let us start few services, that is service Apache to start. And let me start my SQL as well. Okay, so all the things are running. Now, as always, first of all, I will try to move this files, which is in the /root desktop and lesson 13.zip to /var www master. Once it is moved, I'll travel to that directory as always. And I hope many of you got bored from this step, but really I always do that. So here we have got our, where it is, again I missed it, yes it is, lesson 13.zip file. So very simple step is to unzip the file, lesson 13.zip, and in that we have got our lesson. Let me check out, did we have got our lesson 13? Yes, we have got our lesson 13. Next thing you want to do is launch your Firefox, of course in the background process, because in this lesson you are going to run a couple of commands on your command prompt as well. So let me just restore this. Okay, so master 12 is not for us in this lesson, master 13 is. Okay, so you can see a very good dancer in this lesson you can say. Just to make you entertain, and really these exercises are quite entertaining as well. So what we are going to do, first of all, since this is a post-based injection, so we are not going to touch our URL in this case. So we are going to do all of our things in the username and password field. So what I'm going to do here is, first of all, let me just go here and put some values in the username. So in the username, I would like to give a single quote and hit a submit. It says down arrow, that means yes, you haven't done well. Double quotes, it's not working as well. Let's try to hit a backslash. It's not working again. So let me try something like this. Double quotes or 1 equals to 1 equals to 1, and let's comment out rest of the things. Okay, it hasn't worked, so let us try again with that. Let me try double quotes. Okay, so if it is not working, what can be the other thing that might be working? Let's try double quotes and a bracket. Okay, so this time we have got an up hand that says, hey, this is actually great, and you can consider this as up hand as you might have logged in into the web page, because really to create a login page and a user ID could be really troublesome for me. As for creating a simple exercise, I just want to make things simple. So this up hand means consider that you have done right, you have got into the website, and drop hand as a you haven't done well. So we found out that double quotes and bracket is actually working out, and we can log in into the website. But logging in into the website might be a good thing, but really what we are interested in the pen testing, if we could get some hands on the database name, version, or some username tables and likewise things. So what we are going to do here in this case, and let me just disclose the action out here. So what you can do, this is actually you can say blind time-based injection. Here is the thing that you can actually refer. So what in the time-based injection we actually do, we take sleep as a function, and here we put, let's say 15 seconds. But things are not going to work here with the or. Let me show you that. Okay, so it's working. That's a good thing as well for us. But many times things doesn't work like this because it's a simple fluctuation of and or. So make sure you find out and you have the answer why this is not actually working with the and it's working with the or might be an opposite thing. It's really, really simple. If you'll try to build up a pseudo query for the backend, you will really find it out. So it's waiting again and again for 15 seconds, and that means it's giving us quite a simple answer that, hey, I am vulnerable to SQL injection, that is time-based injection. So rest of the work is absolutely for you. Try it out yourself. Try to enumerate the database, try to get out the table's name, and whatever ahead you could get, please go ahead with yourself. So let me just stop this right now because I know it's a time-based injection, and also try it with the and. This is very simple as well. So we see that and is not working, or is out working. So make sure that you try it out yourself with lots of things and all those steps. And if you are not feeling comfortable that, hey, I don't know what this time-based injection is all about, so make sure you go before lectures where I have discussed in details about the time-based injection. Try it out yourself, and if any problem you face it out, just drop me an email. I would be really, really happy to give you a really quick answer on that. So that's all for this video. Grab a cup of coffee and enjoy all these series, and I hope you will drop me a feedback. Thank you so much for watching.